It's time for a brand new adventure in our alphabet series. Get ready, the next letter is here, and there's so much to discover. Let's jump in and see what it's all about.
6 silly snakes went out to play. They slithered and slid the whole long day. They saw the sun and smiled so wide, then slid right down a sandy slide. Sally saw some shining stars while riding slowly in small red cars. She sang a song so sweet and low, while the stars above began to glow. S is for sun and socks and snow. S is for slide and soup, you know. S is for swing and seal and sand. And S is super, just like you, Roland. Sammy the seal swam in the sea. He splashed and spun so happily. He wore sunglasses and shouted wee, then slid on seaweed. What a spree! Sandy made a sandwich snack. She packed some strawberries in her backpack. She sat in the shade with her pet sheep, and soon they both fell fast asleep. S is for snake and smile and song. We've been singing all along. Oh, S is the letter that we love best, because S stands for super and success. Super and success.
Thanks for watching and learning with us today. Keep practicing your letters every day, and you'll be an alphabet superstar in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.